chicken rice. We have steamed or roasted. Okay, so the standard set is like a tester menu.
Alright.
So it's for people. I mean, like if you are not very confident or it's your first time, you can try this, but the portion is small because this standard set is like in Singapore and Malaysia. So it's like one rice and like a few pieces of chicken. And if
Alright.
you want to have bigger portion, I will suggest you to go for this 1/4 chicken. Yeah, it's more worth of the money.
Okay.
Yes.
We'll go for this.
Okay, so roasted. So the
Yeah,
1/4 chicken rice, drumstick and thigh, it's roasted, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and
What else?
what? So at the moment, this part is not available at the moment because today is
Okay.
like our 4th day opening.
This is your fourth day.
Yes.
It's your fourth day.
Yes. And we just received our cutlery and also this this plate and everything today. Yes.
Okay.
So how about drink? So only one of these and anything else?
We need another one. Which one do you prefer for us?
So the
Like-
portion for the 1/4, it's like something like this.
Okay.
This
This is good for two already.
So yes, for the standard, it's like here. Yeah, but
Okay.
yes,
this
like
one,
a small portion.
a small portion.
Yes,
but
for the
this one,
standard set.
this one is
is
big.
the 1/4. Yes.
1/4. So
It's like drumstick together with thighs or the breast with wing like that.
Okay. We'll try that one and this one.
This one is
Not available.
Not available.
yes, because it's
Only this?
so out this morning. Yeah.
Only this.
This part.
Okay. So we'll try this one.
With one rice, the whole chicken is for two
This
one
one
steam, one
and-
roasted, and 2 rice coming.
Okay.
ito na. Alin ba gusto mo?
Is this for sharing already?
Yes, of course.
This one? I know.
No, sorry. This one it's like for one person.
For one person.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want, if you are not confident or something like that, you can just order one to try. If it's good, then we can prepare it for another one.
Okay.
Yeah, if it's your first time.
Alright.
But we have a lot of Kabayan customer coming back and they like it.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
especially the roasted one.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll try the roasted one.
Sure, definitely.
And what else?
Let's try this one.
Okay, so you want one drumstick
Yeah.
and one thigh and one breast and wing?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. How about drink? So for drink, we have, so this is the chicken soup.
Wow.
This is cooked with the purely chicken bones every day. Like we put more than 10 kilo of bones to cook the
Okay,
soup.
ito na
Yeah. You can try.
Okay. And 2 of this.
Okay, so two.
Hindi, oxidized.
One of this and one of
Okay, one Desi and one Delaric, right? Okay, it's cold drink, cold.
cold.
Cold?
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay,
it's
sure.
cold.
I will punch your order. It will be here shortly, okay?
Thank you. What's your name?
NG.
Chiki?
NG.
NG, thank you. So guys, meron na naman tayong bagong discovery. Mansura to. Mansura. Oh, how's the soup done?
Sarap.
Binoiled daw to sa maraming chicken bones. So, Singaporean restaurant naman tayo ngayon, guys. So, feel free to come and visit the place. Very new. Authentic Singaporean cuisine.
Delicious chicken rice.
Ano siya? Delicious chicken rice. Pero ang ano niya, ang call ng restaurant is, ano?
Singaporean.
Right. Singaporean rice chicken.
Chicken rice.
Chicken rice. So, ito yung famous sa Singapore. Ayan kita mo naman po, Tragis, suot ko pa rin yung t-shirt mo Masarap siya. Good. Abangan natin yung
Actually, this is their fourth day.
newly open.
Fourth day.
Newly open. Yeah, visit the place, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to our page and to our YouTube channel. Another discovery of Balmaceda family, Singapore chicken
Rice.
rice.
Singaporean
Singaporean chicken rice. authentic kasi ang mga crew is Singaporean.
Hindi, sila mismo may-ari ng Singapore.
Oo,
Sila rin
mas-
nagpe-prepare yung-
sila rin na nagpre-prepare. So, kung aware kayo sa Singaporean cuisine, feel free to visit the place, guys. Kasi ano sila, Singaporean talaga. So, yung mga gusto ng mga Singaporean dishes dyan, PF Chang is Singaporean restaurant din. Funding kami ng PF Chang. So, nung hinatid namin yung hiniram namin sa office mate niya, nadaan kami, nakita ko bago. Kasi Mansura, dati naming lugar to, dito kami nakatira. So, may bagong restaurant, sabi ko kay Daddy, try namin. So, visit the place, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung food. Okay? So, naman, shout out. Taga saan ka?
Sa Paranaque po.
Uy, taga Paranaque ako.
Malapit na po kami sa
Saan?
may district 1 po kami. District 2. Paranaque. Malugay. Tabi na po ng FTI.
Dito ka sa kabila.
Sa ano po sa Sambali.
Saan bali ako?
Sambali ka po. Small world.
Tanggalin mo nga yung mask mo. Baka kilala kita.
Ako, nabasa po dito ako nabasa.
Saan ka sa San Bali?
Malapit lang po kami sa akin na kinakapitan Mike of Simpson.
Okay, San Bali.
Sa PS1 po, village. Malapit po kami sa PS1.
Ano ka?
Tapos sila sa kabila.
Hindi ka San Bali, San Antonio.
Hindi po. Malugay, Paranaque.
Malugay?
Opo.
San Bali
Sa
ako
tabi lang po
eh.
ng Sambali yun. Sa tapat lang po. Ano po yung butas doon? May butas po.
Okay.
Tawid po, papunta Malugay po yun.
Sa may Talipapa, banda? Hindi pa.
Bandang ganun po. Bandang ganun.
Oo. Hi ka sa
Hello
mga
po.
taga sa atin. Ayan, no, kalugar ko pa pala to. Kalain mo, li talaga ng mundo. Ano pangalan mo, sis?
Salvador po. Salvador.
Ayan, Salvador.
Lalaki po ako.
Ay, sorry.
Always lang talaga.
Ay, sorry.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Ay, kuya pala to. Ayan, macho. Ayan,
Mga
kamusta ka
babasa.
naman? Bagong-bago ka ba lang dito?
Opo.
Ilang taon ka na dito sa
Ako,
Doha? Oo.
2.5 years po.
Bagong-bago. Fresh na fresh.
Sa Mansera, dyan lang po ako sa Mansera nakatira.
Oo, pero nagsisimba ka sa main church natin
Opo,
sa San Valley.
Opo, sa main church.
Oo, ayan.
Wait lang po.
O sige lang, ito na yung food. So
Yeah,
guys,
pwede
ito
yun.
is Singaporean.
Ayan, roasted.
Oo, roasted.
Ayan din sa akin.
Roasted
iyo.
siya. Ano ba siya? Abangan natin. Ano yung So guys, ititikman na natin judgment time kung okay yung food. Kasi masarap ang Singaporean chicken. So tingnan natin kung same ng mga PF Chang. Good.
Sumo?
Masarap siya, guys. I love it. Lalo na nung nilagyan ng chili sauce. Singaporean. Guys, super sarap. Masarap siya. Kakaiba. Yung authentic, masasabi ko naman yung word na authentic Singaporean dish. Good.
Makikita.
Sure. Ang sarap. Guys, masarap siya. Love it. Subscribe ko ha.
Ako, subscribe ko.
Ganyan ako mag-market ng channel namin, guys. Hindi ako nahihiya. Lahat ng mga kabayan dito, pag may kausap ako or meron kami pinupuntahan na bagong kainan, bukod sa minsan na sponsor kami, sponsor man o hindi, talagang inaano ko mag-subscribe. Alam mo niyo, nag-mix tayo nung soy sauce nila, Singaporean soy sauce. And chili. Sarap.
Hi po, from Tabibo. Ay, from Tabibo. Ayan, Tabibo pa din po kami.
Ano po?
Tabi Boba din po.
Kaya amin ang tabi boba.
So, pasyal po kayo ng Tabi Boba at saka
Nag-vlog na namin yung tabi boba actually.
chicken rice.
Oo.
Chicken rice po sa Mansura.
Taga saan na sa atin sis?
Sa Tarlac po.
Hello sa mga taga-Tarla. Subscribe ko sa aming channel.
Opo, sige.
Para mapanood yung sarili mo.
Pasyal po.
Hi guys! Ayan. Ayan. Kagagaling lang namin to sa Singapore Chicken Rice. So, opposite siya ng Gossip. Wait. Opposite ng Gossip and LBC. Across lang, nandiyan na yung Singaporean Chicken Rice. So, please visit the place. Food is good. Authentic yung lasa ng pagkain nila as in sa Singapore talaga. According sa Filipino staff and sa owner, owner yung fiancé, yung makikita nyo sa vlog na to. Yung fiancé niya isa, parang silang Singaporean, at talagang nag-aral ng Singaporean cuisine. Dinala rito sa Qatar. So sila rin yung owner ng famous Tabi Boba. So na-meet natin yung mga owner ng store na Singaporean. At ang nakakatawa, hindi natin nasama sa vlog kasi nagchikahan kami. Si Tony, na pagkamalang artista, famous artista in Hong Kong. Oh my God, my husband. Very, very guwapo for them. Alam mo talagang, nagpicture kami talagang sikat siya guys. Diba? Nanliit naman ako. Grabe. Siya, kilalang kamukha daw ng sikat na actor sa Hong Kong. Tinanong ko si Jet Li ba? Ay hindi, una sabi ko Jackie Chan. no, in-explain nila. Tapos sabi ko, yeah, when still young, he looks like Jet Li. No, mas sabi niya, more handsome than Jet Li. Naks naman. Bigyan naman natin ng palakpakan ng asawa ko. Sikat sa Singaporean, Singapore Chicken
Hong
Rice.
Kong.
Singapore Chicken Rice, kilala siya. Akala artista, nung nagtagalog daw, ay hindi ka mukala. Sabi. Akala niya artista si Daddy. Mamaya ka na tumawid, meron pa sasakyan. Patingin muna ng face. School sila. Pero, ayan. Thank you to our new Balmaceda friends ng kaya naman na lagi sinasabi ng Balmaceda family, stay safe, be good, and be happy. God bless. Bye. Ang pogi daw. Yihi.